Hey everyone. Hey everyone. Hope I am audible. Hey everyone, welcome to the stream. My name is Rahul and I am on a journey to become a front-end developer. So today's stream will be in three parts. It will be a quick intro about me and my current progress and what I am learning next. And I will be solving a live Frontend Mentor coding problem. And if you are watching live, say hi in the chat and let me know where you are from. Okay, so a bit about me. I started front-end development 3 years ago in 2021. So I've been focusing mostly on HTML, CSS, JavaScript and React. I have my basics covered, but I still want to improve my project building skills as well as the problem solving skills which come with developing a project. So I decided to stream my journey to getting my first job, so others can learn from my mistakes and I can learn from my own mistakes, and also it helps me to stay more accountable, and I will show every mistake and learnings in my streams. It will all be very spontaneous. So my current plan is to keep building projects, especially from Frontend Mentor. As you can see on my screen, it is to get the real world building experience. So in the next few months I will be going through the learning path. In this learning path we have total of 38 projects. I will be building every project live on this stream, and I will show my thinking process to you all, which is very important. Also my mistakes and learnings along the way. To tell you, I have got my fundamentals and CSS strong, but I want to practice building projects. That's why I have chose this path. So for the next few months my goal is to build 38 projects from the learning path, and then improve my JS and React skills, and as well as prepare for interviews, then hopefully landing a job while applying to the companies. Mainly remote roles. I want specifically remote roles. Okay, let's jump right into the challenge, but before that I'm choosing Frontend Mentor path. It is a platform where we have many different challenges. To let you know, I have a premium version, so I do have access to all the challenges in this platform. So if you are unable to access some of the challenges that I cover while in the streams, it's okay. You may not get the premium designs, but if you want you can take the premium path, but hopefully you can try the free challenges that are also available. Okay, I will show you some free challenges. You can try those things on the free challenges as well. But I suggest you that you take the premium path, but only after trying the free challenges. Okay, let me see. Okay, in the free challenges also we have many challenges. Hope you try all these challenges before going to the premium if you are not sure about whether to take the premium or not. Okay, let's get to the challenge right now. As I told, I have chose the learning path. Okay, in the learning path also I have already completed two challenges in there. One is the QR code component and another is the block preview card. They are very beginner friendly. As you can see, the challenge level newbie. I am about to work on this challenge, social links profile. Okay, I have already set this challenge in my VS Code. You have to download the design files as well as the starter files to be able to use. Okay, let me open my VS Code. So this is the starter files. Okay, sorry. So this is the starter code that we have after we download it from this link. We have got the starter code and all. We also got the readme file as well as the style guide, which makes some CSS decisions, which color to choose and all, pretty quick because we have all the colors in here. Also we have a readme template, which I will be going to change in the last moment before I submit the project in this section. See this social links profile. I have various sections in here, like here is the starting challenge link, and next we have submit solution. When we are submitting the solution, we have to make sure that we upload it to the GitHub and deploy somewhere. We have to submit them both. Okay, let's go to the challenge. Okay, before it, let me download the Figma file. Okay, so I do already have the Figma file. Okay, let's open Figma first. So I have got the second challenge which I have shown you, block preview card. I have to open the social links profile challenge, this one. Okay, so we have to open the Figma files for that challenge. Okay, let's have a look to the design. So this is the design for the desktop. Here we have for the tablet and here we have for the mobile. So let's see what are the differences in the design in the three screen sizes. Okay, let's see. Okay, so here we have 384, I think so. The width is 384 pixels, maybe, I think so. .384 pixels and the height is 611 pixel. Okay, let's see what are the changes. Okay, I have to see the shortcut tools for this hand tool, move and scale. Okay, H, I think so. Let's see. Okay, just by clicking on it we can access the hand tool and the pointer and all. Move away. Okay, let's check this card's height. Okay, it is also same, 384 pixels. So the width in the desktop screen and the tablet screen is same for this card. Okay, let's see in the mobile screen. Okay, so for the mobile screen the width of the card decreases to 327 pixels. I know we have to make it responsive. Also we have to use no, the relative sizes, not the pixels. So where do we start? See, I will start I will code as I know we have a approach like a mobile first and all, but we are going to study about that in the next section. We are going to study in this section. and how to make mobile first websites and all. Let's see, here we have, I think so, oh maybe not, but we will learn in this section. Okay, so let's just focus on making the challenge, I mean the socials profile page, just for mobile. Let's start with the mobile. Okay. So what are the requirements? Let's see. Okay, your challenge is to build out this social profile, links profile. Okay, get it looking as close to the design as possible. You can use any tools you like to help you complete the challenge. Okay, we can use any tools. So if you got something you like to practice, feel free to give it a go. Since we haven't learned any new concepts, we know the basics of CSS and responsive design. We will only apply what we know till now. We will not be learning anything new. So another thing here, your user should be able to, we can focus and hover and focus states, all the interactive elements. So what are the interactive elements that we have got? Okay, so the links, they are all interactive. So whenever we hover on them, they change color, background color, to somewhat yellow, and also the cursor changes to hand sign. I hope you can see in this. Okay, hand sign. So it might happen with every other link. So our job is to make responsive for tablet and mobile. So let's first build the write the content. Okay, where do we start? So what do we have here? Okay, this is an image. We have the name, we have the location, we have a brief description of the person, means the profession, it's the profession, and a brief description, I think so. And we have the links of that person, like we have the GitHub link, Frontend Mentor link, and the LinkedIn and Twitter and Instagram. Okay, so what do we do first? Okay, let's first close this tab. Okay, where do we get the content? I think we can get the content easily from here also. I think we can copy it. Okay, Jessica Randall. Okay, we have Control C, here Control V. So I think that when we open this starter file, we already have this content in it by default, but we didn't look it through and removed it. Okay, it's okay. Okay, we also has image. We had the image file in here somewhere in the assets, I think so, in the image file. Okay, see, so we have got the avatar. How should we structure our HTML content? Surely these are all links. We can use the A tag, and this I think so we can use h1, and for this h2, and for this maybe paragraph. Okay, h1 h2 paragraph. Okay, let's go with that. Okay, so how we will separate this container from this screen? This is the screen, the black. You can see my cursor pointing. This is the screen, and this is the container in which we have all our content. So I think we can use the main element here. Let's do it. Main. h1 first. We use the h1 element. In this we will if we see that these are all a section. This is a separate section, and this one is a separate one. You can see my cursor. See this one. This one is a separate thing, and this all the links are a separate section. So how we will divide this part? Let's see. I think since our we are building a small component, so it might not be that important to do this. Means separate the content and all. See, let's see. Okay. To see that, let's look at the spacings in our elements. Let's zoom a bit more. So the spacing is equal in here and here also. Okay, spacing here is 24 pixel, here is also 24 pixel, here is also 24 pixel. So these two parts, they are grouped together. Okay, the H1 and H2 are grouped together. Spacing is 24. Let's see what is the spacing here. 16 pixel. Okay. See, to know the spacing and all, you can use the control button. Okay. So the total spacing is 16. I think for this links, we can use display flex for this links part. Okay, actually I'm just thinking how to approach it. So these two will be grouped together. And also at the starting we have an image, and this will be separated from, okay, so we have 3 child elements, 1 2 3. Okay, also I think that we can name our selectors based on the class name. We can use the profile pic, name, location, okay, title, description we have. Okay, we can use the name, location, class or id to our div, and to the image we can use the class name, profile pic, bio. Okay, bio links. Sorry. I think we have our content. Now let's give them some class names. Okay, we haven't opened the live server yet. Okay. First of all, let's give the class name to every element in our challenge. What should we give this? I think we should give it container, class name container, or content. Should we give it content? No, I think container would be good. And what about this profile pic? We have already saw it in the Figma file. Let's check again. Okay, in the Figma file we have given the names for this small elements, and we can use those names in as our class name and ID names. Okay, profile pic, name, location, profile pic, class name, location. I think we have got way more classes. Okay, what do we give here? I think we should give it bio. In this section element, I should give it class links, simple one. Okay, since we have structured our HTML content, we will set our CSS. Start with the CSS. Okay, first of all, let's build a CSS file. No, not in there. We want to build in this hierarchy. Okay, styles.css. Then we will link the CSS here. Let's see. No, it's not working yet. Body, we have given the style to the body. Direction is styleset, href is styles.css. Okay, let's give the styles in here. Okay, we were looking at the wrong file. Okay, so it is working. Okay, let's see, let's check our styles.md file. Okay, what are all the styles do we have here? So we have gray 900. I think this is our style for the body, and gray 800. We do not know where we will apply it, but let's first apply the gray 900 to it. Okay, it looks better. What should be the color of our text? It should be white. Okay. Okay, better than before. You have to color our links, all our links to the same color. Okay, first change the links color. Okay, select the class links, and within it we have a tag. Links, then a tag. Color, it would be same color, this. Okay, good, better. Okay, let's see. Okay, what color is our container? This one, where we do have the content, this main element. What color is this? I think the color is 800, gray 800, this one. Let's check again. Okay, is this one 800? Maybe, I think so. Let's color the main element. Okay, container. We have given the class container to it. Let's see the difference. Okay, so it is taking all the width in our body. Okay, let's change the default styles that we do have. Okay, what is it? Let's remove the default margin and the padding, as well as change the content box to border box. Margin to 0. Okay, not in the body selector. Let's change in the root, I think so. Margin to 0. Padding to 0. Content box, I think content box, border box. No, the property name is border box. Border box. Content box. I don't remember the property name. Okay, let's check Google. Border box. box sizing. The property name is box sizing. Okay. So let's first change the container size. So it is now 100%. Let's change it to how much here? First of all, we have 327 pixels here, the width of this container. Let's change it to, okay, just for now I will just use the fixed values, and after some time I will modify this all code, means I will improve this code. Container, it's a container, right? Okay, let's change this its width to 327 pixel. Okay, where should we work next? Let's work on the layout first. Okay, so how much gap do we have between each element in the top section? That is this image, this name and the location one, and this bio. We have a gap of 24 pixels. So first of all, let's divide this section. Header, let's use header in here, header element. It is more semantic. Let's format the document. Let's give 24 pixels to this. Let's make a display flex first, this header. Let's give it a display flex, so it comes down like this. Okay, so we can control the gap in between these elements. Header, display flex, gap is 24 pixel. I think so. I think it should work. No, I think we should change it to flex direction column. Yes, it is better now. Okay, let's change this image. It's not looking, let's change its border so that it looks more in circle. Profile pic. Okay, profile pic is the class. Let's see how much is the width. (88 pixels). Height is also 88 pixels. Okay, width of 88 pixel. Height is also 88 pixel. Border radius is 50%. Okay, let's see. Okay, it's looking good. Okay, let's bring this container to the middle of the page. We can use display flex and flex, justify content, center, align items, center. Let's see. Okay, it is working still, but since we do not have set the height of the body, we haven't given any height to the body, so it is not aligning center in the column. We will give a height of minimum height of 100 ph. Okay, it's good, better. Okay, let's center all the elements inside the container. Let's see. Okay, so the padding we have is 24 pixels on the side, the left and right side, also on the top and bottom. Okay, because we have this padding set. Okay, how do we center this image? Since this is a flex item, because we have set the header to display flex, so we can control the individual item in it also. So let's say align items, I think so, to control the individual items. No, align self, I think so. Will it work? Yes, it will work. It is looking better. But we have to set the links first. Okay. Sixteen pixels. Let's give 16 pixels of gap. Okay, first of all, let's set the class links to display flex. Let's see if it works. Okay. Okay, just change the flex direction to column. Okay, it's better than before. Okay, how much? We have to give width, padding to the each link. Okay, let's see how to look inside. How much padding we do have. Let's look it. How to look at the padding of this each link. Let's figure it out. So each one is a button. As we can look here in the Figma, you can see that each one is a button. Okay, what is the difference between a button and a link? Maybe a button and a link does the same work, but a button does some interactive, it's used for mainly for interaction on a web page, but a link takes person to another page, so okay. So first of all, let's give the background color to the links. Okay, I think gray 700 is the one. No, I think we have given it. We have to give it to this one. Yes. Okay, another thing I have noticed is that, see, on the bottom of this also we have 24 pixels, but in our case we do not have 24 pixels on this bottom, because we have given it as a gap, and the gap will only work between the elements within the flex children. So we have 3 flex children, this one, and this one. So it will work in between those, since we want to give it also on bottom of the third child. Okay, so what we can do is, I think we should search for an pseudo class or pseudo element through which we can, I think I am wrong. We shouldn't give the gap 24 pixel. I think we should give to each child a margin bottom of 24 pixel. Should we give each element automatically a child? Okay, let's search the web. Let's check how to give flex child margin. Okay, let's also give margin bottom of 24 pixel. Okay, this is looking better than before, but the only thing is this, these links, I have to give the padding to make it look better. I think the padding on the left side and right side is okay, but I have to give it the top and bottom. I think it should be 16 pixel maybe. No, I think it will be access. No, it's looking good actually. Let's look. Okay, it's looking good actually. Okay, let's change the link style. What is the property name? List style, I think so. List style none. Okay, let's see if this works. No, decoration style none, I think so. This will work. Text decoration, I think so. This will work. Yes, text decoration none. Maybe it, yes, this will work. Okay, now let's change the typography. Okay, what is the typography we do have here? Okay, font family is Inter. Let's check it. Let's import it to our document. Let's remove all the other things. We only want the Inter font. Let's take little break. I hope you don't mind the background noises because I don't stay in a single room. I stay with my parents. Okay, let's embed into our head. Let's see our font family. Yes, it is better. And now we have to change. What do we have to change? I think we have to change the font weight and let's change the font weight. Okay, let's see what are the font weights we do have in our style guide. So we can use 3 font weights, 400, 600, 700. Let's see which one is which. I think this one. Okay, I think this one, this links, and this one is 700, and this one I think so is 600, and this bio one is 400. Okay, let's do it all manually only. I'm not using any new concept like cube css or architecture. I'm not following any of that because I haven't learned properly, so that after I build all this, I will apply it in our project. Okay, where do we apply the highest font weight? In here and here, I think so. 700 h1 and the links. Okay, sorry, the title. Okay, I think we have got too many classes. I think it's too much for now. Yes, it's too much. Let's decrease the font weight. Let's set the default font weight to 14. Font size to 14 pixel. So I haven't given the dot. This one is the lowest font weight. So let's change the border radius of our links as well as our container to 10 pixel. It's looking okay. I think there is gap between these two. I think I should give line height to the. I should give line height between these two headings. Maybe. I don't know about it. Okay, let me guess. It looks like it has 16 pixel of gap between them. Margin, I think so. Title, let's give. Okay, it's better than before. Okay, let's change this to H2 and this one H3. It looks more small to me. I think when we look at it, they are almost the same width. We have line here. See, this one is almost same width as this one. The H1 here, the name and the location here, they do have the same width almost. Let's look at other designs also. They are mostly same in the desktop as well as the tablet. Let's increase the font. Okay, its margin bottom is okay. I think this one is 600. I think so. Titles font size is maybe maybe 24. It looks good. Font size of 28 pixels looks good. What about this one? This one looks okay. Okay, let's change. Okay. This one green color, we have to set it to the history. So let's change the hover effect. Let's put the hover effect into account. What should be the color? I think the color should be gray 800. At least the link should be visible when we hover on the color. Okay, it looks perfect now. Not perfect. Okay, one more thing. Let's change the font weight, the title to 600. Then let's see it with 500. Yes. Okay, it looks good with 500. I think font weight 26 would be better. Looks okay. No, 26 is better. See, the styling is all about personal preferences. So I have to see what looks better to my eye. Okay, so we have built it for the mobile, I think so. Let's see. So it is squeezing it, squeezing. I know we haven't made it responsive yet. This is not responsive. It doesn't look good on a mobile website. So what I have to say here is that I will end the stream here, and I will finish this challenge in the next stream. And if you enjoyed this stream, don't forget to like the stream and subscribe, so you can follow my coding journey. Also check the links in the description for the challenge. I have also my GitHub and the LinkedIn, and post my updates there too. And thanks for hanging out with me, and I will see you in the next stream. Thank you. Goodbye.